Hi, good morning. Para doon sa nagtanong sa akin kung paano ko raw na pababa yung blood sugar ko down ng 100. Last night or last eat ko is 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock ng gabi. And then today is 7 a.m. So probably meron kang fasting na 8 to 12 hours. And this morning it's 7:30, yeah. So ito yung preparations ko for breakfast. So meron akong 5 tablespoon ng oatmeal, and then inaluan ko ng almond milk. It's depend to you kung gusto mong lagyan ng water. It's okay. And then meron akong 1 avocado, and then 1 boiling egg, and then 5 pirasong raspberries, and then isang dakot na blueberries, and then meron din akong 2 pirasong strawberry, and then what else? Meron din and blackberries. Ayan, no? So yan. So lahat yan pinagsasama ko, and then this is my breakfast. Try it and I know na magiging lower yung blood sugar mo. Okay? Discipline is the best thing for your sugar. Bye.